Well, good morning, everybody, on this chilly Monday morning. Well, then again, it's almost October. What do you expect? It's not summertime anymore. We are at a delivery. We're just gonna this place right here. You all remember that place? We're on my four ways here, and let's start backing in. Man, today, since yesterday, my knees are just killing me. Not because I fell or anything, or a sports injury. Nope, just being in the infantry for 6 years. It's hard on the body. Then again, I can't complain because one of my friends was in for... Oh shit, I messed that up. Oh, I didn't get that right. Anyway, stand by, we're backing in. We're at CN and I'm waiting to be assisted. And apparently the unit number doesn't match because the camera can't read what's on the side of the can. I don't know. So we've been waiting here for about a minute or two. See how long it's going to take for an operator to figure out what's going on. Probably just manually enter it, and then I'll have to do all my entry again. Anyway, I'm just bringing the return here. There's nothing to pick up here. It's just the empty. No idea what I'm doing after this, though. No clue. Seen another guy driving another cube truck, so apparently there's 2 cube truck guys now. Anyway, we're at CN and we're standing by. Stand by! Holy, this is going to be a short day. There's no cancel at the CN, nothing else to do. Well, I suppose I could return that chassis with the busted pin to St. Henry. Matter of fact, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring that to St. Henry so they can repair that pin. So we're going to do that and go home for lunch. That's going to be it. I got a feeling though, I'm going to get a call later tonight with the whole pickups. I predict that it's going to be a late night. He's going to call me about 5, 6 o'clock to come in. Oh, there's a gut truck. Anyway, we're going to go bring that chassis to the shop and get fixed. Stand by. That's it for the day. We got that pin fixed. Didn't really do much to it. Just put a washer on it and tack welded it. Just tacked it. And that was it. Didn't have time to film it. It happened so friggin' fast. Oop. Helps if I unlock my Durango. There we go. Not sure what's going to happen tomorrow. Not sure what's going on tomorrow at all. But I got a feeling it's going to be a come quickly delivery. Come fast. Come now. So thanks for watching. Remember, hit that like button, the share button, and the subscribe button. And if you have a clip that I can use for my outro, remember to send it to gonetrucking73@gmail.com. And we'll see you later.